Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Myra from Low Carb Love, and today we're gonna be making the absolute easiest cookie you've ever made in your life. It's a peanut butter cookie that's made with 3 ingredients. It's absolutely perfect. It's a little bit of chew, a little bit of ooey gooiness. I mean, you guys are gonna be so obsessed. And if this is the first time that you're joining us, then please make sure that you do subscribe to my channel and turn that post notification bell on so that you don't miss any of my recipes, okay? With that being said, let's get started on our cookie. Okay, so our first ingredient is peanut butter, and take a look at how creamy and smooth this is. Wow. I know, I'm sure you can still use the spread, which the spread is, you know, the one that you could basically flip over and it's not gonna pour out. But here we will use the creamy, and we are going to do 1 cup. And now let's pour that into our bowl. Very nice. Make sure you get every last little drop in there. And now we are going to pour our sweetener, and this is a 1/2 cup of sweetener. I use a powdered sweetener. If you you can use granular, but I use powder. If you don't have a powdered sweetener, you can actually just put your granular into the little coffee grinder or your blender or food processor, blitz it for a little, and poof, out comes powdered sugar. And our last ingredient is 1 egg, 1 large egg. There we go. Put that in. And you're not gonna believe it, but those are the 3 ingredients that you need for your cookie. And if you want to use chocolate chips, or you want to add nuts, walnuts, pecans, macadamia nuts, anything you want, you can even add a little bit of vanilla, because guys, this is your cookie, so basically whatever you want. But the main ingredients are peanut butter, your sweetener, and your egg. Okay, so we're gonna mix this in, and then I'll show you the next step. I mixed this for about 45 seconds to a minute. I just want you to take a look at what the batter is gonna look like. This is it here. Let's get our parchment paper out. You're gonna need a piece of parchment, put it over your baking sheet so that your little cookies don't stick. Okay, I'm gonna roll these into balls, and of course, it's to your liking how big or small you want them. And let's keep it going. Okay, we're just gonna add this to one that looks kind of small. Let's add it to this one. And here we go. Now we're just going to press them down a little. And then you are going to get your fork. I'm gonna show you right now. Forgot my fork. Let me grab my fork. And what we're going to do is actually just do like a little cross that, you know, all the peanut butter cookies have. I'm telling you, this is the absolute easiest cookie ever, and they are so delicious. I'm not even a big peanut butter cookie fan. I'm really not. And I made 2 batches of these last week, so just to tell you. And while we've been doing all this, our oven has been preheating at 350 degrees, so it is ready to go. Now I'm just gonna grab these, put them in there, and ready to bake. We're gonna bake these for about 10 minutes, and I'll show you what they look like when they're done. Butter cookies are all done. This was about 10 minutes, and I bet they are going to be perfect. Let's go ahead and transfer these little babies onto our cooling rack. Okay, they look perfect. Perfection. Look at this. I can't wait. Make myself some almond milk. I add ice to my almond milk. I don't know if that's a weird thing. Let me know if I'm the only one. If you guys add ice to your almond milk, then let me know so I don't feel like a loner. But here are our peanut butter cookies that came out from start to finish in less than like 13 minutes. So these are our cookies. They've cooled for about 10 minutes. I served myself some almond milk with ice and a little splash of heavy cream. If you guys didn't already know this trick on how to make your milk taste a little bit creamy and just like normal milk, just add some heavy cream to almond milk and it makes it super creamy. So I have my fancy straw, I have my milk, and now my favorite part of the whole video is the taste test. So let's go ahead and take a bite. I'm excited. I don't know why I don't make these more often. Chewy cookie, a little milk. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. You just have to try these. Remember, it's only 3 ingredients. We made this entire batch within like 13 minutes from start to finish. The only thing is obviously letting them cool, but other than that, you guys have cookies, peanut butter cookies in 10 minutes. So make sure you try it. I hope you guys really enjoyed the recipe. You enjoyed this video and hanging out with me. Until next time, guys, I love you and I'll see you on my next video. Mwah.